शुरू से ही मैं ये प्रोग्राम देख रहा हूँ और जैसा ओमी ने बताया कि इस स्कूल के बच्चों में एक स्पेशल पोटेंशियल है। मे बी ओमी वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट मोस्टली एकेडमिक पोटेंशियल, बट व्हाट आई हैव सीन हियर ऑन द स्टेज हैज स्पोकन अ लॉट कि रिस्पेक्टेड उदय सर और घोष मैम कितने एफर्ट्स और कितना विजनरी तरीके से आपके बच्चों को डेवलप कर रहे हैं। They're not just thinking about one aspect कि भाई पढ़ाई पढ़ाई पढ़ाई, वो हर एस्पेक्ट को अटेंशन दे रहे हैं और जिस कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ इन बच्चों ने परफॉर्म किया वो काबिल तारीफ है। तो थैंक यू उदय सर फॉर डूइंग ऑल दिस फॉर ऑल दीज वंडरफुल गेम्स। इसमें ऐड मैं ये करना चाहूँगा कि जैसा ओमवीर सर ने भी बताया कि हम लोग अभी ये प्रोग्राम लॉन्च करेंगे वेरी सून एंड यू गेट टू नो अबाउट द डिटेल्स ऑफ द प्रोग्राम थ्रू द स्कूल। मकसद यही है कि इस एरिया में ओमवीर, सुमित सर ये करीब 10 सालों से बहुत ग्रास रूट लेवल पे, एकदम बेसिक लेवल पे काम कर रहे हैं अलग अलग बच्चों के साथ, और बहुत सारे बच्चों की जो शुरू से लेके एंड तक कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम की जर्नी है उसमें एकदम मन लगा के इन्होंने काम किया, ये मुझे पता है बिकॉज ओमवीर वाज अ स्टूडेंट ऑफ माइन इन ईयर 2010 और उससे लेके आज तक मैं इसके साथ कॉन्स्टेंटली टच में रहता हूँ। हमारे बीच रात भर लगभग डिस्कशन होते हैं कि इस बच्चे की ये प्रॉब्लम है, ये इस प्रॉब्लम के थ्रू गुजर रहा है, इसका क्या सोल्यूशन निकाले। And I still remember in all these discussions हम लोग बहुत इमोशनल तरीके से कोई ना कोई सोल्यूशन पे आते थे, ये सोच के कि हम अपने आप को उस बच्चे की जगह रखते थे और सोचते थे कि क्या इसके लिए बेटर हो सकता है ताकि हर अगले दिन ये और ज़्यादा कॉन्फिडेंट और अपने गोल के और ज़्यादा पास पहुँचे। So I have seen this particular you can say effort बोलूँ या लगन बोलूँ, जो भी कहना चाहें आप, वो ओमवीर सर ने यहाँ पे जिस तरीके से काम किया है वो चीज़ मैंने देखी है। और जहाँ तक मेरा सवाल है, मैं 2004 में IIT बॉम्बे से पास आउट हुआ और तब से लेके अभी तक ऑलमोस्ट 20 साल हो गए इसी फील्ड में हूँ। I teach both physics and chemistry and I have been lucky to be part of journey to some of the students who cracked single digit, 2-digit all India rank in JEE Advanced। तो अब इन सब चीजों का निचोड़ ये है कि इस एरिया में हम लोग ये एटम अकेडमी शुरू कर रहे हैं एंड देयर विल बी अ कोर्स डिजाइन्ड बाय IITian और मैं खुद पर्सनली DPSI में आपके बच्चों को पढ़ाऊंगा और इसके लिए जो बन सकता है, जो हम कर सकते हैं बच्चों को एकदम बेसिक लेवल पे। जैसे डॉक्टर साहब ने शुरुआत में बात बोली थी कि पेड़ कितना भी ऊंचा हो उसकी जड़ें सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है उसकी ऊंचाई को बढ़ाने के लिए, क्योंकि वहीं से वो सारे न्यूट्रिएंट्स गेन करता है। को-करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज, एकेडमिक एक्सीलेंस, डांस, अलग अलग तरह के स्पोर्ट्स, ये सब अलग अलग न्यूट्रिएंट्स है। और जैसा मैंने बोला, इस स्कूल की ये बहुत स्पेशलिटी मुझे दिखी कि वो सारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स को वो इनपुट में डाल रहे हैं। बिकॉज मैंने बड़ी बड़ी मेगा सिटीज की बिग स्कूल्स के इवेंट्स भी अटेंड किए हैं। आपने धीरूभाई अंबानी स्कूल का नाम सुना होगा बॉम्बे में, वहाँ पे मेरी भांजी पढ़ती है। और जो भी यहाँ पे एक्टिविटीज हुई, लाइक फ्यू डांस, जिनके कॉस्ट्यूम डिजाइन, जो काइंड ऑफ डांस, मुझे कोई ज्यादा फर्क नहीं दिखा उन लोगों के और इन लोगों के बीच में। तो व्हाट डज इट एक्चुअली शो कि हमारे बच्चे जिला जिला के कह रहे हैं कि हमारे अंदर पोटेंशियल है, हमें अंडर एस्टिमेट मत करो, बस हमें राइट प्लेटफॉर्म दो जहां पे हमारी प्रतिभा निखर के बाहर आए। और एज फार द एकेडमिक पार्ट इज कंसर्न, वो जो मिसिंग पार्ट था जहां पे शायद गुंजाइश थी बेटर करने की, वो अब हम लोग आके वो करने वाले हैं। बस उसमें आपका, बच्चे का और हमारा, ये तीन पिलर्स का एक कंबाइंड टीम होगा। हमें मिलके ये काम करना है एज ए टीम। और जो जो भी बातें मैं आगे बताऊंगा आपको जैसे जैसे हम मिलेंगे, कैसे ये कोर्स आगे बढ़ेगा। बट टू सम अप, it was really nice seeing all these kids perform, and I want to see these same kids perform excellent, above excellence in terms of science and technology, और उनके जो भी फ्यूचर है, चाहे वो IIT में जाना चाहें, एम्स में जाना चाहें, लॉयर बनना चाहें, ग्रेट अकाउंटेंट बनना चाहें, हमारा काम है कि उनको वो प्रोत्साहन दें ताकि वो अपनी प्रतिभा को पहचाने और उसको अचीव करने के लिए एफर्ट डालते रहे, खुशी खुशी, प्रेशर में नहीं, खुशी खुशी, तभी वो निखर के बाहर आएगा. So thank you all, and we'll see you again.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing these valuable words among us. Now I want to call Harsh and Manvi to take over the stage.
Welcome to the world of instrumental music, where notes speak louder than words. Prepare to be enchanted by the sound of instruments. So now, let's welcome our DPSIMs for instrumental music performance.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I am fine. What about you?
I'm also fine.
Yes, I did it. Good morning, Mama, Papa.
Good morning, beta.
Good morning, beta. You are looking so excited today.
Yes, Papa, I've cleared my NEET exam today.
Very good, beta.
Wow, my child. Excellent. I am so proud of you.
Now, what you have planned for future?
Mama, Papa, I want to take admission in MBBS.
Very good, my child. Your decision is very nice. I am with you.
MBBS? What is this MBBS?
Mother, this is a degree. After doing this, you become a doctor.
Wow, my child will soon become a doctor.
Papa, you please go to St. Stephen College. It's a government medical college. I want to take admission in that.
Okay, beta. I will go there tomorrow.
Thank you so much, Papa.
For my child, beta, it's my duty.
So sweet of you, Papa.
I will go there tomorrow, beta. Don't worry, my child.
Okay, Papa. I love you, Papa.
Love you more than everything, beta. Wow, what a beautiful building. Mind-blowing. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, sir.
Ma'am, I am Sachin and I come here for getting my daughter admission in this college. May I meet Mr. Umesh?
Yes, sir. You can meet him, but sir is busy now. You can wait for 5 minutes till you can wait outside.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, sir.
Wow, what a beautiful building. My daughter will surely achieve her dreams here. Really, such an amazing campus.
Sir, you can meet him now.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Welcome, sir.
May I come in, sir?
Yes, come in. Please have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
How much sugar do you want, sir?
2 spoons. Ask that gentleman.
Water, sir?
Thank you. Sir, I am Sachin and I came here to get my daughter admitted in your college and she also has scored good marks in her NEET exam.
Very good, sir. But look, there is no vacancy in our college.
Sir, but my daughter is brilliant and she got more than sufficient marks. How can you deny her?
Look, Mr. Sachin, there is no vacancy in our college, but we have 2 reserved seats and those 2 seats are allotted for some minister daughters. And if you want to take admission for your daughter, then you have to pay donation to our college. After that, we can only think about your daughter.
But why donation, sir? It's alright that my daughter has scored sufficient marks and who fulfill the criteria and even that are asking for donation. You are doing wrong, Mr. Umesh. Very, very wrong.
Now you will teach me how to do my job?
How much donation you are asking? Tell me.
It's beyond the imagination for people like you. It's 25 lakhs.
What? 25 lakh? It's not donation, it's bribe and it's wrong. I will complain for this. You will have to pay for this.
Get out from here, you bloody villager. I don't want people like you.
This is wrong. I will complain for this.
Do whatever you want to do, but firstly get out from here.
I will see you. I will see you.
You get out from here.
Have some water.
Papa, did I get admission in college?
Wait, beta. Let your papa have some water first.
But Mama, Papa, did I get admission in college?
No, my child. They are asking for donation of 25 lakh. How can we give them? It's not a small amount.
So what, Papa? You should give it to them. Today, we don't get admission anywhere without donation. Our whole system is corrupt. You should give.
Why should we, beta? If they have vacancy, we are eligible for them.
No, Papa. This is my dream to be a doctor. I know that we don't have so much amount. We are not that rich people. But please, Papa, I don't know how. Manage.
Okay, beta. I will go to cops for doing complaint against the principal.
Don't worry, beta. Your father will definitely find a way for this.
Just do whatever you want. I just need admission in college.
How many cases are registered today?
2 cases, sir.
Only 2?
Yes, sir.
Hello, officer.
Hello, sir. Please have a seat.
Sir, I am Sachin.
I am not interested in your name. Only tell me, why are you here? What's wrong with you?
I am here to file a complaint against Mr. Umesh.
What? Are you serious? Mr. Umesh? That famous college principal?
Yes, you heard it right, Umesh.
Look, Shinde,
Oh, साहेब.
he is going mad.
पागल है क्या?
How are you talking, officer? You are a policeman and behave like that. You are a public servant.
Hey Shinde, he is talking about behavior.
Sir, can I put him behind the bars?
Nah. Chill, Shinde. Now tell me, what's wrong with you?
Sir, look, sir. I want to take admission for my daughter in St. Stephen Medical College, but they are asking for donation of 25 lakh. Actually, it's not donation, it's bribe.
So what? It's common now these days. You just give donation and get your daughter admitted here. Simple. You know who is he? He is one of the richest person of the state.
What are you talking, officer? But it anyone. I only know my daughter has scored good marks to get admission in that college. Now, you tell me, how can I give them bribe?
It's your problem. Why are you wasting my time?
It's your duty, officer. I came here for seeking help from you to take action against the principal. And you are doing nothing?
Now you tell me how to do my job.
But officer,
Hey Shinde, throw him away from here.
Get out.
Hey, not me, to him.
Oh, sorry, sir. Get out, you bloody idiot. Get out.
I will
Get out
see
from
you.
here. Get out, you bastard.
See you both.
Get out, Ray.
I can't wait. Papa, yes, Papa has come. Papa, what happened, Papa? You seem so frustrated. What happened in the police station, Papa? Papa, are you listening to me?
My dear, the police also support the rich. They denied to file our complaint.
So what, Papa? If you have given the donation, then I could get my admission so easily. But you spoiled my dreams. I told you that it's my dream to be a doctor.
But beta, I don't have that so much money to give them person.
So what, Papa? Arrange the money.
But beta,
No, Papa, you did very wrong with me today. I always believe you like my superhero, but I don't think you are my superhero anymore.
but beta, what should I do?
Do just whatever you want. You spoiled my career, you spoiled my dreams. I told you that it's my dream to be a doctor. You hurt me today, Papa. You hurt me today. You hurt me today, Papa. You hurt me
No,
today.
please, no. Stop. Who I am? I am nothing. If I am not able to fulfill my daughter's dream, and our system is totally corrupt now. I got defeated to this correct system, and now I don't have any choice. And what about my daughter? She's so annoyed. I am not her superhero anymore, so what I do need for now? I have no right to live. Oh God, please take care of my family. And open your arm, I am coming to you. Please do something so that no other father will be as helpless as me. This is the last choice that I have.
Papa, what have you done, Papa? Papa, you are my ideal. You are my inspiration. Oh gosh, Papa, please open your eyes. Papa, please. Oh God, please help. Papa, did you ever think about us? About my mother, about me, Papa? Papa, please come back. You are my ideal. You are my inspiration, Papa. Papa, it was totally my fault, Papa. Open your eyes, Papa. Oh gosh, we are ruined.
That due to some greedy people, the real talent of our country is being lost in this world of corruption.
And a father or a head of a family is compelled many a times to take such a step that he has to commit suicide.
So let's we take an oath together. We should never take out bribes and will take our country towards a golden future. So I request you all to please stand up and take an oath for never being indulged in these types of activities.
I request to one and all here, please stand up and kindly take the oath for saying no corruption.
Now, I would like to invite Rahul sir for preceding the prize distribution ceremony.
Let's proceed our prize distribution ceremony. Now, I would like to invite Mr. Ponsing Bhoswal, Dr. Harsh Kundra, and Mr. Pawan Patana to kindly come over the stage and felicitate the students. And I also request to Pankaj sir and Yogesh sir for escorting Mr. Ponsing Bhoswal, Mintu sir and Priya ma'am to kindly escort Dr. Harsh Kundra. And I also request to Rekha ma'am and Upasana ma'am to kindly escort Mr. Pawan Patana. First, Shivansh. Second, Bhumik. Third. Give a huge round of applause for the shining stars of DPSI. Car number 8624. Kindly hand over the keys to the driver so that they can adjust the parking area. Give a thunderous round of applause for the shining stars of DPSI. Give a huge round of applause for the shining stars of DPSI. Give a thunderous round of applause for all the shining stars of DPSI. And thank you so much, sir, for giving your valuable time for us. Now, I want to call Sanvi and Namisha to take over the stage.
High energy packed, acrobatic and out of the box. Versatile, expressive and highly rhythmic. Now, the girls of class 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th are coming with a high energy packed Western themed dance performance. Now, let's welcome the girls for blasting on the stage.
empezamos como es. Mi música no discrimina a nadie, así que vamos a romper. Toda mi gente se mueve. Mira el ritmo como nos tiene. Hago música que entretiene. El mundo nos quiere, me quiere. Toda mi gente se mueve. Mira el ritmo como nos tiene. Hago música que entretiene. Mi música los tiene fuerte, banal y se baila.
चलाओ ना नैनों से बाण रे, जान ले लो ना जान रे, जान ले लो ना जान रे, कहीं निकल न जाए, कहीं निकल न जाए, कहीं निकल न जाए, कहीं निकल न जाए, हमरी बॉडी से, हमरी बॉडी से, हमरी बॉडी से प्राण रे।
पहला खुमार, नया प्यार है नया इंतजार, कर लूं मैं क्या अपना ऐ दिले बेकरार, मेरे दिले बेकरार, तू ही बता। पहला नशा पहला खुमार,
अपने जिगर को थामो के बैठो, अपने जिगर को, अपने जिगर को थामो के बैठो, थामो के बैठो, थामो के बैठो के आधी कमरिया से सारी के आई अब आंटी की बारी है, आधी कमरिया से सारी के आई अब आंटी की बारी।
हमें बाबा दुआरे पे माँ, कैसे आए गोरी हम तोहरे घर माँ। अरे अंगना में बाबा दुआरे पे माँ, अंगना में बाबा दुआरे पे माँ, कैसे आए गोरी हम तोहरे घर माँ, कैसे आए गोरी हम तोहरे घर माँ। हमरा के कहे तू बना देलू,
दिल कमरिया मोरे, हाथी रची नजरिया मोरे, छत पे सोया था बहनोई, छत पे सोया था बहनोई, मैं तले समझ के सो गई, मुझको राणा जी माफ करना, गलती मारे से हो गई, मुझको राणा जी माफ करना, गलती मारे से हो गई।
तू गलती है मेरी, तुझ पे जिंदगानी गिरती है मेरी, साबुन की शक्ल में बेटा तू तो निकला केवल जान जान जान।
Wonderful dance performance. Give a huge round of applause for these students who given laughter that to us.
Now, I would like to invite Uday sir, Satyajit sir, Dipti ma'am and Devendra sir to kindly come over the stage and proceed a special traditional ceremony that is skyline planting. Now, I want to request Rekha ma'am, Priya ma'am to kindly escort Uday sir, Ranjita ma'am, Diksha ma'am to kindly escort Satyajit sir, Princy ma'am and Rimi ma'am to kindly escort Uday sir, and Neha ma'am and Preeti ma'am to kindly escort Devendra sir.
proud and grateful student of DPSI. As we come to the end of this spectacular evening, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude. We are deeply honored to have Dr. Neeraj Agarwal with us today. Thank you so much, sir, for gracing this occasion. Your presence has made this event truly unforgettable for us. We are immensely grateful to our dedicated teachers for their tireless efforts efforts and unwavering support. Your hard work and guidance have made this event possible for us today. We appreciate the efforts of our talented students as your enthusiasm and energy have lit up the stage and you have made us proud once again. I'm also grateful to our parents and audience as your presence have enhanced this occasion for us. Thank you all for making this annual function a resounding success. I'm grateful for the memories we have created tonight. We'll be looking forward to see you all once again the next year. Till then, goodbye and have a wonderful evening.
Now, I want to request all the dignitaries and teachers to kindly come over the stage for National Anthem, and I also request to one and all present here to stand in attention position for National Anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य